Sometimes things do not work out as planned. For example, you might see that the expert advisor does not work very good. If you can get something that works for 8 to 10 years in a row, you can be confident that you have made a good choice. I think that the whole trading industry works in a way that losses are likely. Your broker will probably try to make you trade as much as possible and as fast as possible. He will offer you a bonus to do that. He will give you free advice how to get started right away. Hundreds of other explorers might have been better navigators, but we never heard their names because they have not been as lucky as Christopher Columbus. After a backtest, you know if you have the outcome that you want or if the result needs to be improved. I spend a lot of time doing automatic strategy tests, and that is why I am able to sustain my own system even in times of crisis. You need to keep the course of your ship, even when you find yourself in a storm, with high waves, also known as volatility in trading. Humans decide based on emotions because we are not so good at calculating to make a rational decision. If you lie awake at night, asking yourself if your trading account was wiped out, you have probably the wrong account size. Usually people know that training is what makes the difference. You need to do push-ups if you want to strengthen your arms. Do you see this massive amount of trading data? A computer can handle it much better than you. This is exactly the advantage of automated algorithmic trading systems. How do I find out what to trade? Have you ever tried to bake a cake or cook a delicious meal? Probably you have used a recipe. One day you might come back from a trip and notice that there was an electrical power outage. Now what? It is not so hard to automate trading because most discretionary systems follow similar rules. You might open a position when some indicator, moving average or oscillator gives you an entry signal. It doesn't matter if you are 35 or 53 years old. You just need to decide to do what it takes and do one step after the other. I once decided to start with whatever I could get to produce a result and improve the results later. If you are able to trade through real crises in the long term with an account, you can also gain real insights and develop your own real preferences. Automated trading is the only way to stay in the markets whenever you want. Algorithmic trading requires consistency, and often it looks like the system would not work properly. Do you want to print out your equity, your trading profit, the strength of the trend, or any other trading-related information directly on your MetaTrader charts? No problem, it is easy to do. If you want to prove or disprove that something will give you a real market advantage, just do the opposite to prove a disadvantage.